Hello you guys and welcome back. Today we are doing my February BoxyCharm unboxing. Now this one definitely came a lot earlier than last month. Last month they lost mine, so I actually got it in February. This one I definitely did get a lot quicker. So the theme this month is Be My Glam. Oh, Be My Glam-Entine, get it? So yeah, Valentine's Day was just a couple days ago. What the card looks like this month. And then of course, on the back, it tells you everything that is in the box, what it retails for, and what exactly it is. All right, so we are just gonna dig right in here. I'm not gonna peek. First thing in here is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. So I actually picked this one. If you guys saw my last video, I definitely got an eye something or other in the last one. I'm a sucker for eye creams, anything eye related, just because, you know, the little wrinkles here, the dark circles, all that stuff. So I always, whenever there's an option for an eye cream, I pick that. It is it's very thick. It definitely feels nice and hydrating, moisturizing. Yeah, really no scent at all. Let's see, this retails for $32. It's a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus. Now, I used to work at a sushi restaurant and we used to have a yuzu liqueur, or it was some kind of alcoholic drink because I used to bartend, and we used to put that in a bunch of our drinks and it was really, really good. It was just like a really nice, fresh, citrusy flavor. So I thought that was kind of cool that that was in here. Just threw it all across the room. This combined with targeted ingredients such as the Active Vital Complex and no idea what that word is. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. Ooh, okay. So we shall see how that works out. Here I'm seeing is a precision liquid eyeliner, felt tip eyeliner. But this one is really pretty packaging. Now this is from Estate. I've never heard of this brand. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. And then it's just your basic little felt tip liner, and yep, very, very black. It's very, very intense. This would make for a really good winged eyeliner. I don't really do a lot of wings. What I sometimes do is I'll take a liquid liner and just put it like just right above my lashes, because I just feel like it helps make your lashes look a bit thicker. But yeah, it's definitely black. This ultra fine felt tip liquid eyeliner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. Lasting all day, it won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run, and it retails for $12. Oh, and this brand is new to BoxyCharm. No wonder I've never heard of it. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from Stila. Stila, is that how you say that? Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Wish I would have known this. I just bought a new mascara the other day. I was out and I bought, I think it's from Wet n Wild. I'll put a picture up if I can find it. It's like my favorite mascara. I've tried so many different ones and this one is like $5 and it just makes my lashes feel like and look so much thicker, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the brush or the applicator, but it just works so good and it's $5. So, okay. This one looks like. It's really pretty packaging. So this applicator is actually very, very similar to the one I was just talking about. It's like almost the same exact shape. So I am really excited about this one. I love applicators like this. I'm not a fan of the plastic applicators. They just don't seem to go on my lashes very well, and they seem to like separate them too much, and it looks weird, but I love applicators like this. This retails for $23, and I do know that this is a good brand, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing in here I'm seeing is a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Okay, so it looks like it has a powder contour brush, a blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow liner brush. It's kind of cool. I'm lazy about doing my makeup, so this might be really convenient if I could get it open. Oh, and this is from the brand Alley-Oop. Alley-Oop? I've never heard of it. Okay, it's a really pretty blue color. This is so weird. I've never seen anything like this. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So this is what it looks like, and it's got this brush on this one side, and it's super duper soft. Oh my goodness, I love that. And then on this side, it's a sponge, and it's obviously not wet, but it feels very, very soft. And then you twist it like this, and there is the little angled brush. You could use this for your brows, or you could use it for like an eyeliner. And then you undo this side, and then you have like a little eyeshadow brush. That's so cool, and it's so soft. Wow, these brushes are really soft. So that's really cool. It says an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. What's wrong with me today? It retails for $28. That's not a bad price for, I mean, you're getting 4 different applicators, so that is really cool. All right, last but not least is this little guy here. And if this is another dark lipstick, BoxyCharm, I might just have to get rid of you again. So this says, oh, roll-on fragrance oil. It's called the Original. I have no idea what that brand is, but it kind of looks like it could say Riddle. And it just has a question mark here, so okay, I'm dying to smell this thing. Please be a good smell. Please, please, please be a good smell. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute. And you open it up, and it's just a little roller ball like that. All right, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm putting it on. Oh my gosh. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Do you know what this smells like? This smells so good. Okay, I go to Vegas a lot. This reminds me of the Aria in Vegas. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I am like blown away. All right, this is Riddle oil. So yeah, I was right. Riddle oil, original roll-on oil, made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. That's exactly what the Aria scent. It's got like amber, musk, vanilla. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, and it retails for $50. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I'm actually shocked. Like, first I thought it was a lipstick, and then when I saw oil fragrance, I was like, this can't be good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so that is everything in my box this month. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything up and see what this box retails for. Okay, so this box retails for $145, and I'm actually really happy with everything in it. I think everything I'm gonna actually use in this box, I am putting this in my purse. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Did you guys get your boxes yet? What did you guys get? Did anyone else get this perfume and is obsessed with it like I am? Or is it just me? Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.